If you've been searching for true one-level living in Piedmont with zero maintenance stress, you need to see this. This is 100 Callongton Drive, a beautifully maintained 2022 build designed for effortless everyday comfort. The open floor plan makes hosting a breeze, flowing from the kitchen right into the dining and main living spaces. The primary suite is tucked away on its own side of the house, complete with a private bath and generous closet space. You get 2 extra spacious bedrooms, making it perfect for downsizing or first-time buyers alike. Packed with upgrades like an energy-efficient tankless water heater, low-maintenance exterior, and a 2-car garage. Located on a quiet, low-traffic cul-de-sac while staying minutes from major roadways, schools, and shopping. 3 beds, 2 baths, 2022 build, and completely move-in ready. Tap the link in the description below to get property details or DM us right now to book your private tour before it's gone.